Hey guys, it's Ivan. It's time for Dollar General's Any Day Deals, guys. We're gonna get in here and do some food deals because we cannot eat detergent. And then we're gonna do a couple of any day deals with some detergent. Let's go. Okay, first let's check out some of their clearances that they have left. They steady coming up with extra clearances. I need these. These are $1. So let me scan it and show you guys. Don't worry, we're gonna get to the any day deals. Let's see. It's spanning. Yep, $1. Okay, they have a box full of solar lights, and they're $1. So when you scan them, they are 25 cents. I put these throughout my garden, so I'll scan them 25 cents right here. Okay, guys. So I'm back here at their other clearance aisle in the back, but I want to show you guys exactly what I picked up off that clearance table, and I'm gonna. These right here, they originally were $5. They're $1.25 right here. So I picked up 2 of them, and now they make me have 6. And then I found 1 more of these, so that gives me 3 of these pots for $1 each, which get your garden and stuff ready for next year, guys. I found this for 75 cents. That is so cute. These butterfly screwers by Dolly Parton was 75 cents. They was originally $3. That cocoa cream was $1. This is actually some good oil, guys. Then, I picked these up for $0.25, but I've got 4 more of them, so I really need them to really go and brighten up my garden. And guys, these, watch this. Go look for them. They the Scotch extremely strong. These are the fasteners that hold stuff on things. So I picked these up. They hold up to 6 pounds. It's by Scott. Let me scan it for you guys. And okay, I'm gonna scan that. Okay, guys, you see that? They are 1 penny. So if you could find some more of those are a penny. Get them. We found pennies today. Yay! Okay, let's get our any day deals going. Now over here, before we do any day, I want you guys this is the clearance. I think they're literally trying to just get rid of this. Nobody wants that because it is that apple cinnamon smell. It smells awful. Baby toys. That's what's over here into these. Now, I believe some of these Clairol's you could have made some money off of. Let me see. Let's see. I just want to see if it's got a coupon. That's $3.75. Yep, look at that. Limit 2, earn $3. I'm gonna grab a couple of these. Let me see. Now this is another color one. That's the African American. I need that one. Let's see. $3.75. $3 coupon, yeah. So I can do that. I'll make $3 off of that. Let me see what this one had. This is Revlon. My granddaughter been dyeing streaks in her hair, blue and pink, so that might work if it's a coupon. $2.25, guys. No coupon though. I might grab that for her though, in case you want to do pink. Let's scan the Pantene. It's $9, and it's a $3 off too. I think that should be $4.50 and then $3 off too, but I don't want no Pantene. I don't use that anymore. Now getting to our any day deals, guys. I was so sick on Monday. I did not get to do this deal. I ate some food at someone's house and I was so ill, guys. I could barely sit up. Okay. So that's why I didn't do anything. But today is Tuesday. We're doing the 2 for $3, and this is first off on the Pillsbury biscuits. They're 2 for $3. Now it was $1 coupon. If it's not there, it's still worth it. Those are the ones starting at $3.65. Okay, that's the big pack. And then you have the $1 off all the Eggo waffles instantly. And then these Smithfield rolled sausage are 2 for $6. So let's go and get those deals, okay? Now the waffles I know are right here. And they did these deals last night, okay? 7 o'clock. Remember, all sales start at night, 7 o'clock. So let's get what's left of the deals. Okay, so I picked up the $3.50. So these are automatically $3.50. It's $1 off, making them $2.50. Picked up the chocolate chip ones. And I picked up the buttermilk ones. So these are $2.50 each, but I'd rather spend $10. So I am going to grab another. You can also do the pancakes, guys. So let's see, like you could do these pancakes. Let me scan them for you and show you. I don't want to stand in the freezer. $3. Wow, I don't know how that's going. Let me see. Guys, I don't think the strawberry is included. That's probably why that box was there. Okay, so let's scan the buttermilk pancakes. Let me see. Okay, let me scan these. Nope, $3.50. They're not showing that $1 off now, so make sure you guys scan. I did think it was an instant, so I'm going to see. I believe that might be an instant. $3.50. I think it's going to be an instant, guys. So I'm going to get this another thing of buttermilk pancakes, not the strawberries waffles. Okay, let's get to our next deal. Okay, here we go right here with the Pillsbury, and those are $2.35, but they have $1 off of 2, and then they are 2 for $3. And that is the 5-count biscuits. Hold on, I'm gonna scan these because this is the Pillsbury Grand 10-ounce, 2 for $3. Yep, these. Let me scan these. $3.65, and they're 2 for $3 and $1 off of 2. So we're gonna grab 2 of these biscuits. And that is the 10 count. That's the 8 count. I'm sorry, 8 count, 8 count. We're gonna grab 2 of those, okay? Now, on here it says the Smithfield sausage rolls are 2 for $6, and she said she don't think they have any more. She's right, guys. They do not have any sausage. So I will have to go to another store and pick up another Dollar General and get some Smithfield sausage, okay? Let's get to, okay, and the boys, they wanted Cheetos. They are buy 2, get 2 Cheetos, okay? So we'll get ready to grab, and Fritos. I'm gonna grab a thing of Cheetos, about 4. They are buy 2, get 2 at $4.95 each. $4.95 times 4, $19. Take away $4.95. And take away another $4.95. Leave you at $9.90. Divide that by 4, $2.47 each. So I have 4 bags of these for the kids. This time, guys, I want to try something different, and it is going to be on the apple pies right here, the JJ's Bakery. Now that's cherry I'm showing you, but they do have the apple pie. And then we're going to get to our deal. Okay, they're $3 each. $3 each, but they are also 2 for $5 as a instant. Raw sausage right here, they are 5 for $4. My kids eat these, the boys do. When they come home, they'll grab these, okay? Then I need the tunas. Oh, look at that. That's that spicy pepper rice with beans tuna. And then that's the zesty lemon. I don't think that one is 3 for $3. Let me try it. Yes, they are. They are 3 for $3 also. So I'm going to grab 3 of these right here if they have them. Pasta with beans. I think that, I'm going to see how they like those. 3 of them. And then they don't have my, I don't think they, oh, they liked it, those. These right here, the jalapeno, they liked it, those. And so did my mom. She liked them also, so I'm going to grab some for her. They don't have the chicken because I don't eat tuna. Okay, guys, I want to show you a quick deal. Any day deal that's awesome. Now, you could have 4 of these, but they don't have any more of the Arm & Hammer pods in the store, okay? So we're going to start Here we go. We're going to do an Oxy Arm & Hammer. That's the 45.5 ounces at $5. It's 2 coupons, guys. I have 2. One expired 11/1 and one expired 10/25. Okay. Then if I scan this little one, that's $4 and one of those attached to it. So I have one that's big and then I have this small one. Then we're going to pick up an odor blaster right here. The odor blaster is $4 and we have a $2 coupon. So let's do the prices. 5 plus 4 plus 4 equals $13. Take away 2, take away 2, take away 2. Leave you at $7. Divide that by 3. You're going to pay $2.33. $2.33 for this. Ain't that awesome? That is an awesome deal right there. $2.33. So yeah, you definitely can use that deal right there. That's a good deal right there. Now, if you had the pods, I had the pods in there, and you could sell that all. Now, if this was $7, if I sold it to somebody, I would sell it to them for $12. There you go. Okay, guys, so this is how we looking right now. We got the laundry deal, and we got the food deals up in here, and we also have some more clearance deals. And don't forget to look for those penny items, okay? All right, guys, make sure you like, subscribe, share Ivy's coupon account. We don't gatekeep. Bye.